Good team, welcome back to a new video. We're here up at the local dam and doing a bit of fly fishing. We have had a crazy session here with, I don't know how many I've landed, probably 10 rainbow trout, and I've lost probably about 4 or 5. All sort of, you know, 3 poundish sort of range, 2-3 pound. But hey, it's good fun. We get them out from just in this little run here. There's an intake that comes in and then there's another one. And I've just been getting it right in there, and I've been seeing fish porpoise and rise. And I had a go with nymph at the start, nothing, so I changed to a glow bug and I haven't looked back. But it's been crazy, so there's pretty good video here. Yeah, I guess enjoy it, because I've had fun filming it. Enjoy. Yo. Yeah, didn't take long, did it? First cast with the egg. Straight away. It's on the bottom one, a clear drift egg. Seeing the indicator just go straight down. Nice fish. There he comes. Nice. Not the biggest fish, but not a bad one. First fish of the day. As you can see, split shot, little egg, and then we've got the clear drift one. Not a baby one. That fat rainbow. Beautiful. How good, we're on the board. Good way to start. First thing I'm doing is adjusting that indicator, because that is way too deep. But hey, we've got a fish. Not bad. But I'll show you the rig. So, fairly simple. Indicator way up here. Split shot. Little yarn glow bug. And then 2 6mm, like salmon roe orange, clear drift egg. Fishing this outflow. My indicator's way up here, so I'm going to shorten it big time. Well, we'll get back in there. Try to get another one. 2 from 2, surely. It's a good cast. Yes. It's stacked. Bit of fish. They're stacked here. We're on. Hey! going for it. Oh, nice. Good cast that one, and provided. How good. It's on the bottom eager again, clear drift. Oh, that's a nice fish. Yeah. Oh, number 2. It's going to be a tricky one to get this one out. Yeah, it's out. And he's just spermed all over my fucking leg. Wow. Mate, you've just jizzed all over in me pants. What the hell? Yuck. Freaking fish sperm in me leg. Bad wee fish. Couple pound. Fat wee fella. 2 fish and 3 casts. That was on the bottom egg again. Seems to be doing the damage. And get it back over in that spot, I reckon we'll get one. Right there. Yes, another one. Oh, we're slaying it. Fish on. Oh, he got off. So we're going to take this one off. It's pretty buggered anyway. Like, we had a good run on it. So we've got multiple choices in here. I think what we're going to do is we're going to go a wee clear one. I think a wee little clear one like this might do quite well. So we'll give that a go, and then if not, we can run a orange or a different one. They seem to be quite not really caring at the moment. They seem to be pretty on.
A few moments later.
Yes. Big fish. Oh, that's not a bad one actually. Changed eggs, and yeah, couple casts in, we got one. This is a nice fish, this one. Bigger than the others. That's on the weighted one, that one. So he's taken the top one, which is the yarn egg. He's taken the yarn one. A little bit bigger. Not by much, but hey, fish is a fish. It is a fat fish. They might go 3. Oh shit. They dropped my net in the water. Oh, there you go. 3 pound. 3 pound rainbow. So he's not the biggest. But hey, he's quite a cool looking one. Get that hook out. Quite a nice fish. Nothing huge, but you know, 3 pound. Oh, and he soaked me. Fish on. It didn't take long at all. Not big by any means, but one on the nymph. little guy, probably about a pound. He took the bottom one, which is like a little pheasant tail. Nice little fish that, look at him. Cool colours. Yeah. Well, we're on the board. So the fly he took on that one was, I'll show you. Can't really tell, but yeah, did the damage. So I've just popped over to the other side for a little bit. I reckon I will get one here. The wind's coming in this direction as well, so the food will be coming on this side. The wind isn't too bad over here as well, which is pretty handy, so got the old indicator, 2 nymphs on it. Fishing pretty deep. Let's see how far we can cast. That's pretty good. It's a pretty good cast. Yep. It's a good fish. I was about to say that's a good cast. Doesn't really know it's hooked yet, I think. How big is it? Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. It's definitely biggest of the day. Get him on the reel. Okay, off he goes. He's woken up. Nice.
Nice.
And that happened so fast. Oh, yes. It's not a bad fish. Sort of a darker fish, this one. It's a nice fish. Man, that happened real quick. Fight hard in here, these fish. They're on the bottom nymph. There we go. Nice. Nice fat fish that. Take it on the nymph. Bottom nymph. Little brown one. Alright. Fat fish. Yeah, good. Not bad.